Good morning from Beijing. Right now, I'm standing on the balcony of my hotel room, looking out at a city that blends ancient history with modern life. You can hear the city waking up, cars below, people starting their day, and somewhere beyond all of this lies one of the most historic places on Earth, the Imperial Palace, also known as the Forbidden City. Today's plan is simple but special. I'm leaving this balcony view behind and heading straight into the heart of Chinese history. So let's start this journey together.
Beijing immediately surrounds me. Wide roads, tall buildings, and endless movement. Yet everything feels organized, purposeful. What I love about Beijing is how history doesn't feel distant here. You don't have to search for it. It's built into the city itself. Somewhere between these modern streets and busy intersections, emperors once ruled a massive empire. And that's exactly where I'm going now. Getting to the Imperial Palace is surprisingly smooth. Whether you're walking, taking the subway, or a taxi, everything leads you toward Tiananmen Square. As I get closer, the surroundings begin to change. The buildings feel more open, more grand. The noise fades a little and the scale of everything increases. You start to feel small, and that's intentional. This place was designed to impress.
Walking through the main gate feels like stepping into another era. Every detail matters. The colors, the carvings, the layout. Red symbolizes power and good fortune. Yellow roofs were reserved only for the emperor. Nothing here was random. Even the spacing between buildings reflects hierarchy, control, and order. This wasn't just a palace, it was a statement. As I move deeper inside, the palace seems endless. Courtyard after courtyard, hall after hall. These vast open spaces were used for ceremonies, celebrations, and official gatherings. Imagine thousands of officials standing here, perfectly aligned, waiting for the emperor to appear. The silence today makes it even more powerful. You can almost hear the echoes of history in these stones. As I make my way toward the exit, I'm struck by how balanced everything feels. Grand, yet calm. Powerful, yet elegant. The Forbidden City isn't just about emperors and dynasties. It's about how architecture, culture, and belief come together to tell a story that lasts centuries. This is one of those places that reminds you how small we are, but also how meaningful human creativity can be. Stepping back into modern Beijing feels almost unreal after this journey through time. From my hotel balcony this morning to walking through the heart of an ancient empire, this day has been unforgettable. If you ever come to Beijing, the Imperial Palace is not just a place you should visit, it's a place you should experience. Thanks for walking with me today. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next adventure.